Okay. Very good evening, all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start with today's session. Now, in today's session, we are going to start with the next module, that is Python data structures. Okay. Now, we'll say what are data structures? Data structures are different ways of organizing memory and doing operations on that memory. Okay, so different ways you can handle memory, and in that memory you'll store values and you will perform different operations on that memory. So there are different organizations, like list is there, then we have tuple, then we have dictionary, we have set. Okay, there are different data structures provided by Python. In that, the first one we are going to take today, that is list. Okay, so you can just remember list is an ordered collection of items. Okay, ordered in the sense the position of the items are important. Means the sequence of that items is important. Whichever is the first item is first, second is second, third is third. So that is ordered. Each and every item is going to have a position, which is called as a index. And all the items in that list are identified by that index. Index means some number. So generally from left to right, the index start with 0. And if you go from right to left, the index start with minus 1, minus 2, like that. We'll be learning all this one by one. But list is an ordered collection of items. Okay, it will come under non-primitive. It is not a primitive type, which we have discussed previously. 5 data types we studied: string, integer, float, complex, boolean. It is not in that category. You can say it is a non-primitive, or it is a iterable, or it is a group item, or it is a collection. Okay, you can say it is a collection, group item, iterable, you can say. Okay, so ordered, and as it is ordered, each and every element will have a position called as index. And it is mutable. Mutable means you can modify it. You can add new items in it. You can delete items. You can modify items. Okay, so it is mutable. Mutable means any any data structure or any data type, in the sense you can say, which can be modified is mutable, which cannot be modified is immutable. Like string. Strings we have studied in. String as a data type, str. String is immutable, remember. So mutable in the sense you can modify it. You can add new items, you can delete items, you can insert, you can modify the values which are there in that list. Okay, so that is the peculiarity. And elements can be repeated. There is no restriction that in list all the items should be unique. Is no such criteria. Elements can be repeated. Okay, so basic definition, I hope you got it. A list is a collection of items. Okay, list is a collection of items stored in a single variable. Means under one name we will access it, and it is ordered. Ordered in the sense every item in that list, as we have mentioned, it is a collection of items. So each and every item in that collection is going to have a position, and it will have an index. They will have a strict position. Therefore, it is called order. Mutable in the sense you can change it, and it can have repeated values, duplicate values allowed. Okay, it is not like set or something. Like we are going to learn set as well, where duplicate elements are not allowed. Okay, now how to create a list? It's very simple. Just you have to create your list object equal to, and in square bracket, you can enlist all your elements or items, you can say. Okay, so item 1 is there, item 2, item 3, going on. No hard and fast rule that all the items should be of the same type. They can be of different type as well. Means A1 is integer, A2 is a string. It can contain a list also. List can contain list as well. Means that item can be a list as well. Getting? Means within a list you can add list. Within a list you can add tuple. Within a list you can add set. Anything. It is just a collection of items. And all the items are ordered. They have a position. You can modify it and duplicates allowed. Now how to create a list, I told you. In Python, list is just created by placing elements in a pair of square bracket separated by comma. So in a square bracket, you go on enlisting all your values one after another, separate by comma, it becomes a list. Example. Now don't assume that as I have mentioned here, only strings. So you can create a list of only same data type. It is no such hard and fast rule. You can create a list of mixed data types as well. ऐसा कुछ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि लिस्ट में सब सेम डेटा टाइप के होने चाहिए. मिक्स्ड डेटा टाइप भी हो सकता है. जैसे ये एग्जांपल देख के आपको लगे कि स्ट्रिंग लिखा है तो सब स्ट्रिंग ही होना चाहिए, नंबर लिखा है तो सब नंबर, नथिंग लाइक दैट. करेक्ट? तो आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ लिस्ट Ram, Krishna, Ganesh, and these are created, and the list reference is kept in gods. ठीक है? When you print that, print and that object, it will display this whole list. And if you try to print its data type, it will print the data type as class list. Means it is telling that it is an object of class list. तो यहाँ आपको डेटा टाइप क्या प्रिंट करके मिलेगा? एज क्लास लिस्ट. ठीक है? एंड इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स याद रखना है, मैंने ऑलरेडी कहा. It is ordered. Ordered means each and every element is going to have a position. Their position is important. And they are indexed. Order है तो हर एक एलिमेंट को इंडेक्स है. जैसे राम, इंडेक्स 0, इंडेक्स 1, इंडेक्स 2. ठीक है? एंड डुप्लीकेट्स अलाउड है. म्यूटेबल है, इसको मॉडिफाई कर सकते हो. एंड लिस्ट में सारे एलिमेंट सेम टाइप के ही होने चाहिए, ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है. You can have elements with different types as well. See, ordered. Ordered means position, important. 0th position, 1 position, 2 position. Mutable. You can modify it. You can add new items in it. You can delete some items. Duplicates allowed and can store different data types as well. ठीक है? जैसे देखो यहाँ मैंने create किया. This is a list of numbers. This is list of strings. This is list of mixed data type. See, integer, string, float, boolean, empty list, list containing nothing. So you can have dissimilar data type list as well. Okay? Okay. Quickly, if you want to see the demonstration of it, we can. Now, till now we were using idle, है ना. थोड़े समय तक हमने आइडल यूज किया, फिर VS कोड भी यूज किया. अभी थोड़ा क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म का टूल यूज करते हैं. You can just go to Google Chrome, okay, and here you can search as Google Colab. ठीक है? Google Colab is same like Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda Jupyter Notebook जो दिया है. Cloud based. तो going to cloud based is always better. Everything what you do is same. वो कभी लॉस नहीं होगा. जो कुछ काम आप करते जाओगे वो ऑटोमेटिक क्लाउड पे सेव है. करेक्ट? यू जस्ट हैव टू कनेक्ट विथ योर ईमेल. So just you can search Google Colab, you'll get this first result. ठीक है? Now, if you're already logged with your Gmail, this will come. अभी check करके देखो. No, तो it will ask you that log in with your sign in with your Gmail. तो आपका एक Gmail अकाउंट तो रहेगा ही रहेगा. Sign in करो and create a new notebook. ठीक है guys? You can just give me confirmations. Okay, so I'll just click this on new notebook. Okay, it will start. It will take time. Okay, now it will just give you cells where you can type the code and run and see the output. And here you can save your file. देखो यहाँ मैं save कर देता as Python data structures. ठीक है, तो it will save it as a Google Notebook. You can download it, like whatever I am doing, I can download and share this file to you. You can again open it in your Google Colab. Okay, so here you can start creating the list. Like at first I created gods equal to. Then here I wrote everything as string. So it doesn't mean that in the list same data type should come. Getting? I'm writing print gods. If you want to print its data type, you can print type of gods. Okay? On this arrow, you can see this triangle. You can just click on it. It will execute it and show the output here. Okay? And here we are using Python of server side only. ये server का ही Python use कर रहा है. Correct? So first it will establish connection and it gives you the output. Can you see the list is printed? Isn't it? Then it is displaying the data type, that it is of type list. And if you want to create a new cell, just click on this plus, okay, or control plus MB, you can control plus MB. It will create a new cell. And if you want to run this cell, just say control enter. Control enter will execute this cell. So I'm clicking new cell created. You can add new data, new code, whatever you want. Like, as I said, you can create a mixed list as well, like integer, float. In between, there is a string. You can have a complex number in between. You can have a list within list. You can also have a tuple. We are going to learn tuple, but ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि इसके अंदर एक ही डेटा टाइप का होना चाहिए. एंड गूगल कोलैब का एक स्पेशलिटी है कि आपको अगर वो लिस्ट प्रिंट करना है तो प्रिंट लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं. जस्ट इफ यू राइट मिक्स्ड इट विल डिस्प्ले इट. Automatic, it's going to, whenever you mention the name of the variable, it will automatically print the value of that. And can you see it has created a list of different types. मैं एक ही लिस्ट में इंट भी है, फ्लोट भी है, स्ट्रिंग भी है, कॉम्प्लेक्स भी है. लिस्ट के अंदर लिस्ट है, लिस्ट के अंदर टपल है. एनीथिंग कैन बी देयर. ठीक है? Okay, I hope it is clear. Just give me quick confirmation so that next we have to move to how to access the items of this list. Yes, guys, can you give me quick confirmation?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes. So I'm just waiting for the confirmation. Please keep giving quick confirmations. Next, we have to see how to access items from the list. If you have created a list, then how to get the values from it. Very simple. Just you have to write the list name, whatever is the name of your list, and square bracket mention index. ठीक है? तो list square bracket index. And whatever value is there at that index, at that place, whatever value is there, it will return that value. Okay. Normally, when you go from left to right, the index starts with 0. See here, if your list contains 10, 20, 40, 70, 35. Okay, so when you go from left to right direction, the indexes start with 0. Okay, so this is 0th index, 1 index, 2 index. But if you want to access from the right side, there is negative indexing facility also provided. Last item is -1, -2, -3, like that. Okay, so this way you can access it. Okay, for example, suppose I'll create a new cell. I'll create one list A equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, suppose. And then I'm writing A of 0, suppose, or A of -2. So A of 0 is 10. A of -2 is 70. You can print and see. But now what happens whenever you print one, the last one is displayed. So you can display all by writing print A of 0. If I'm writing print A of -2, get it? See. Now A of 0 is 10. A of -1, -2 is 70. Okay. If you try to access it beyond limit, it will throw a error. Like I'm giving A of 25. Now 25th index is not there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You are trying to access A of 25. Index error will come. Index error. See, index error, list index out of range. List index out of range. Why? Because the range is from 0 to 7 only. As the range is from 0 to 7, you are accessing 25th position, which is not there only. So this is a robustness feature. This feature is a robustness feature. Means Python doesn't allow you to access values beyond the limit. जो भी लिमिट में वैल्यूज है वो ही एक्सेस करके देगा. लिमिट के बाहर एक्सेस किया तो वो एक एरर थ्रो करता है. विच एरर? इंडेक्स एरर. ठीक है? आई होप यू गॉट इट. दिस कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर. Now, in this only, they have given provision of accessing the part of your list as well. अगर ये लिस्ट है तो आपको एक पोजीशन से लेके दूसरे पोजीशन तक जितने भी आइटम्स हैं उनका एक कॉपी लिस्ट चाहिए. कॉपी मीन्स वॉट एवर एलिमेंट्स आर देयर इन दैट लिस्ट, you just want a copy of those elements. Getting? So part of a list means I just want a part. Part means it's not going to get deleted from the original list. Whatever elements are there in that list from that position till next position, it will just create another list called as a copy list in which only those elements are there from that start position till end position. So how to get it? So for that they say use slice operator. Actually, this is a slicing mechanism only, ना? You are getting a part of it. Like birthday में केक होता है, तो आपको जितना पीस चाहिए वो आप निकाल लेते हो. Some people take small piece, some take big piece. Okay, but only in that case, the piece is getting deleted. Here it is not deleted. Here it just returns a copy. Okay, so for that you have to use your list object name, square bracket, start position, colon, end position. This colon is called as a slice operator. Okay, इस colon को हम क्या कहते हैं? Slice operator कहते हैं. तो start position से लेके end, but end is exclusive. Inclusive नहीं रहता है, ये exclusive रहता है. ये पहले समझ रहा है? Means if I am writing 2:7, तो 7 is exclusive. Means it will start from 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 6. 7 consider नहीं होगा, 7 exclusive होगा. सो 2 3 4 5 6 ये पोजीशंस पे जितने भी एलिमेंट्स है उसका एक लिस्ट बनेगा, एक कॉपी लिस्ट। करेक्ट, एक न्यू कॉपी लिस्ट। एंड वो कॉपी लिस्ट आप यूज कर सकते हो ऑफ ओनली दीज एलिमेंट्स। ठीक है, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग। नाउ इन दिस, इफ यू ड्रॉप स्टार्ट, स्टार्ट लिखा ही नहीं, मैंने जस्ट लिखा :3, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0, 0 1 2। स्टार्ट दिया है बट एंड नहीं दिया। If you don't give end, you just give start but not end. So it will start from 2 and it will go till the end of the list. मैं 2 से लेके जितना भी बचा हुआ लिस्ट है, from 2 till the end of the list, that it will take. Understanding, guys? So that is also possible. Then you can give negative index as well. Slicing में भी negative दे सकते हैं, like मैंने लिखा है -6 :-2. It will start from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. तो -6 से शुरू करेगा and stop at -2, but -2 exclusive है, inclusive नहीं। मैंने already कहा है second index exclusive, तो it will not consider। तो -6 से लेके -3 तक, as many elements are there, it will create a sublist and give you. You can call it as a sublist. Okay, so I hope that part is also clear to you. So I'll give you the demonstration of slicing, then some more things in it. इसी में देखो, अभी इसी में मैं slice concept apply करता हूँ। Print A 2:5 I'm writing. So it will start from 2, 0 1 2. 2 is 30, 2 3 4 5 exclusive, right or not? So 0 and 1, 2 3 4 5 exclusive, तो 30 40 50 का एक सब लिस्ट आ गया। Correct? Now in this only, as I said, if you give start but you are not giving end, it will start from 2, 0 1 2, but end नहीं दिया तो it will take end of the list. ठीक है, start नहीं दिया but end दिया, that is 5. Now 5 is given but the start is not given. It will by default start from 0, 0 1 2 3 4. आपको पता है सेकंड इंडेक्स एक्सक्लूसिव है। ठीक है, तो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग। तो दिस वे here also you can give negative, like I am writing a colon -6 colon -2. Okay, -1 2 3 4 5 6. So -6 is this and -2 is 70. So it is exclusive. So only 30 40 50 60 you will get. Get it? Negative also you should know it now कि एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव ऐसा भी दे सकते हो। ठीक है, अब एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव ऐसा भी चलता है। Like I'm writing a of -6 colon 8 suppose. ओके, तो 8th पोजीशन एक्सक्लूसिव है तो 7 तक ही जाएगा। तो -6 किधर है? -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6। ठीक है, and 8th position is after this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you know it is going to stop before 8. So till here only. Can you see? So all these combinations are possible. And in this, they have given one more provision. You can give step value as well. Step भी दे सकते हो। ठीक है, like start, end, and by default अब तक step 1 था, You can give step as well. After that, first colon and second colon. It will give you values only at that step. जो step लिखा है उतना. Like for example, if I'm writing colon colon 2. Now start and end both not given. It will take the entire list, guys. यहाँ start भी नहीं दिया है, end भी नहीं दिया है. तो entire list लेगा. And step 2 दिया है. तो it will take elements at a gap of 2. देखो पहला एलिमेंट आएगा, ठीक है, देन वन इज स्किप्ड, देन टू पोजीशन पे जो है वो आएगा, फिर थ्री स्किप, फिर फोर्थ पोजीशन पे जो है वो आएगा. तो ऑलवेज एट अ स्टेप ऑफ टू, क्योंकि मैंने स्टेप टू दिया. यू कैन गिव स्टेप थ्री. नाउ इफ यू गिव स्टेप नेगेटिव, it will start from the end, the last item, then one skipped again after two step, like that. Getting? So end से at a step of what? Two. Because step negative दिया. So this way you can give step as well. Okay, देखो इसी में मैं concept बताता हूँ. A, and you can give start and end also. It's not like when you give step you have to take the entire list. ऐसा कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है. तो colon colon 2 लिखा है. See, is it taking 10, 30, 50, 70? क्योंकि मैंने step 2 लिखा है. अगर मैंने लिखा print a colon colon -1, step of -1, so it will start with 80, 70, 60, negative step. See, is it giving an entire reverse list? Understanding, guys? ठीक है. तो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एंड स्टार्ट एंड दे के भी स्टेप दे सकते हो. लाइक आपने लिखा है 1:7:2, तो स्टार्ट कहां से करेगा? 1 से. ओके, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 एक्सक्लूसिव. इसमें भी स्टेप 2 आएगा. तो 20, 40, 60 चेक करो. Is it giving 20, 40, 60? So all these combinations are possible while accessing the list item. All the combinations, whatever I told, I hope it is clear. See, access the list item. Whenever you want to access any list item, you just have to write the list name and then in a square bracket, mention the index. Okay. Note that index start with 0. If it is starting with 0, means you are accessing from the left direction. ठीक है. देखो जैसे colors equal to red, blue, green, colors of 1. Who is at 1th position? 0, 1, 2. Blue. It will print blue. Negative indexing is also allowed, which I already told you. Negative indexing भी allowed है. But if you give negative indexing, it will consider from the right end. Green will be -1, -2, -3, like that. So negative index starts from end, -1 refers to the last, -2 refers to the second last, and so on. देखो, colors equal to red, blue, green, colors of -1. So who is at -1? Green. ठीक है? I hope it is clear. This concept is clear. ठीक है? Can you give me quick confirmation? एक एक करके एलिमेंट एक्सेस करना. अगर आपको लिस्ट में से कोई भी एलिमेंट एक्सेस करना है तो कैसे एक्सेस करोगे? लिस्ट का नेम स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट क्या लिखोगे? इंडेक्स. इंडेक्स अगर आपने पॉजिटिव यूज किया है तो इट इज फ्रॉम लेफ्ट स्टार्टिंग विद 0, नेगेटिव स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम right end, that is end. And please remember, if you try to access beyond the limit, it is going to throw exception. Which exception? Index error. Getting list index out of range. ठीक है? Yes or no? Please keep giving confirmation, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sajid.
Then there is some concept called list slicing. List slicing means extracting the part of your list called as a sublist. Means you are not deleting it from the original list. You just want a part of that list. And whatever elements are coming in that part, it will just create a copy list and give you. Whatever elements come from that part, from that start position till end position. It- Whatever elements are coming in that range, it will just create a copy of that elements and just give you a copy list. This will be called as a sublist. This is a sublist because it's a part of your original list. So how to do it? By using a slice operator. We have colon, start कोलन एंड. फिर इसमें सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस बताए थे कि ये दोनों नेगेटिव भी हो सकते हैं, एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव हो सकता है. स्टार्ट ड्रॉप किया तो क्या होता है? इफ यू ड्रॉप स्टार्ट, इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीरो. एंड ड्रॉप, इट विल गो टिल द एंड ऑफ द लिस्ट. Get it? So all that things you should remember. See, you can specify a range of indexes. Range of index समझ में आया ना? Start index to end index. But whenever you give start and end, always remember end is exclusive. I have already given explanation about it. Okay, तो कैसे लिखना है? Start index colon end index. The return value will be a new list with the specified item. तो वो स्टार्ट से लेके वो एंड तक जितने भी आइटम्स आते हैं उसकी एक कॉपी लिस्ट क्रिएट होगी एंड इट विल जस्ट रिटर्न द सब लिस्ट और दैट कॉपी लिस्ट. See, example दिया है इधर, colors equal to, I've created a list of colors. Colors 2 colon 5. Now from where it is going to start? From 2, 0, 1, 2. ठीक है? Then 3, 4 and 5 is exclusive. Actually ये 5 है, but तुम्हें पता है कि 5 exclusive. So 2 से लेके 5 तक, 5 के पहले तक जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उसका एक क्या क्रिएट करेगा? लिस्ट क्रिएट करेगा एंड इट विल रिटर्न द कॉपी लिस्ट. ठीक है? सी, इज इट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exclusive, तो green, black, white. Then already I have mentioned this, if you drop start, it will by default start from 0. By leaving out the start index, the range will start at the first item. See, ये अपनी लिस्ट है, colors colon 4. तो स्टार्ट ड्रॉप किया है तो इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 एक्सक्लूसिव, तो रेड, ब्लू, ग्रीन, ब्लैक. ठीक है? बाय लीविंग आउट द एंड इंडेक्स, अगर एंड इंडेक्स ड्रॉप किया तो इट विल गो टिल द एंड ऑफ द लिस्ट. Whatever is the remaining list, the range will go on to the end of the list. Example देखो, this is your colors list. Print colors to colon. From where it is going to start? From 2, 0, 1, 2. But as we have not mentioned end, it will start from there till the end of the list. Pura end of the list. So green, black, white, pink, yellow. ठीक है? Then you can even mention negative indexes also in this case. Slicing may be negative index allowed. Specify negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end. Example देखो, कुछ combinations दिए हैं, all possible combinations दिए, you can try this. -4 to -1. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4. ठीक है? तो चालू कहां से करेगा? -4 से. Stop कहां? -1, but -1 exclusive. Will it give only this much part? Black, white, pink. ठीक है? ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट केस में देखो, एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव है. -1, -2, -3, -4. ये स्टार्ट है आपका और एंड क्या है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो एंड इज 6 एंड स्टार्ट इज -4. तो -4 से लेके -6 तक, तो 6 एक्सक्लूसिव ही रहेगा, तो ब्लैक, व्हाइट, पिंक. एंड If you give -4 to -6, so this is which one? -4, sorry, -1, -2, -3, -4, ठीक है? And where is -6 here? So as that end is before start, it will not give you anything. It will give you empty list, I guess. ठीक है? क्योंकि जब भी रेंज देते हैं तो स्टार्ट और एंड उसके बाद ही होना चाहिए. सी क्यों एम्प्टी लिस्ट दे रहा? क्योंकि ये रेंज ही गलत दिया आपने. स्टार्ट -4 से किया, -1, -2, -3, -4, बट एंड ये इसके बाद होना चाहिए था, वो उसके पहले आ रहा. -5, -6. हाँ, -6 to -4 लिखा रहता चलता था. हुआ क्या है समझ में? -6 इज कमिंग बिफोर द स्टार्ट, एंड हमेशा स्टार्ट एंड एंड में ऐसा होना चाहिए, स्टार्ट पहले होना चाहिए, एंड बाद में. जैसे इसमें देखो, -4 एंड -1, दिस इज -4, दिस इज -1. ओके, तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में आपको क्या मिलेगा? एम्प्टी लिस्ट. आपको चाहिए तो इसी में मैं करके दिखाता हूं. सी प्रिंट a colon -4 colon -6. See, is it giving an empty list? I hope it is clear, right? And then in this only you can mention steps as well. I hope you remember about step. अभी मैंने बताया था. If you don't want continuous items नहीं चाहिए. You want items at a fixed interval. Fixed interval के ही चाहिए. तो भी दे सकते हो. See, after specifying the start and end indexes, you can specify the step, which determines the number of positions to move at a time. Start दिया, end दिया, and step दिया. So it knows that it is supposed to move at that interval. इतने इंटरवल पे ही जंप करना. करेक्ट? तो पहले स्टार्ट से स्टार्ट कर दिया, फिर ये स्टार्ट में कितना ऐड करेगा? स्टेप. तो स्टार्ट प्लस स्टेप, स्टार्ट प्लस 2 स्टेप. हर जगह पे मैथ्स है, याद रखना. This whole thing in series and all we have studied in 11, 12. So start plus start plus twice step. So after every step interval, whatever elements you get, it will give you. Step can be negative as well. Okay. So if you give step positive, it will take it from left to right. A positive step moves from left to right. Negative step moves from right to left. Example देखो. क्विकली देखो. हाँ, इसमें ये अपनी कलर्स की लिस्ट है. स्टार्ट एंड एंड नहीं दिया तो विल इट टेक अ एंटायर लिस्ट? स्टार्ट भी नहीं दिया, एंड भी नहीं दिया, विल इट टेक एंटायर लिस्ट? यस. स्टेप कितना है? 2. तो इट विल टेक रेड, देन ग्रीन, देन व्हाइट एंड देन येलो. ठीक है? एंड व्हेन यू गिव कलर्स कोलन कोलन -2, कोलन कोलन का है तो एंटायर लिस्ट. स्टेप -2 है तो इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एंड. देखो पहले येलो, फिर व्हाइट, फिर ग्रीन एंड फिर रेड. यू कैन चेक इट. पहले येलो आया, फिर व्हाइट आया, फिर ग्रीन आया एंड फिर रेड. ओके, तो इफ इट इज clear, you can give me quick confirmation, guys, because lot many things about list you have to learn. लिस्ट के बाद फिर आपको टपल के बारे में पढ़ना है, फिर आपको सेट के बारे में पढ़ना है, फिर डिक्शनरी के बारे में पढ़ना है. So many things we have to learn. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Then, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Next, if you want to modify the elements in the list is already created, you want to change some element. Some element you want to replace with something else. You can do it. You just have to write your list object, square bracket, index. Okay. And equal to value. Here also, I hope common sense, you know, index can be positive, negative. So whichever element is there at that index will be replaced with this value. ठीक है, तो वो इंडेक्स पे जो भी वैल्यू रहेगा वो ये न्यू वैल्यू से रिप्लेस होगा, क्योंकि आपने एल ऑफ इंडेक्स लेफ्ट साइड लिखा, लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द असाइनमेंट, तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स गोइंग टू स्टोर द वैल्यू एट दैट पोजीशन. ठीक है, see, I'll give you some combinations. Here, if you want, print and see your list A. This is your original list, right? I am writing A of 2 equal to 300, A of minus 3 equal to 600. And then you can print and see the modified list. Now A of 2, that is 0, 1, 2. So who is at 2th place? 30 will be replaced with 300. And minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, that is 60, is replaced with 600. Check the modified list. Can you see 30 has become 300, 60 has become 600. Here, if you go beyond the limit, जितना भी limit है उसके beyond गए, so what it does is it automatically adds the value at the end. ठीक है, let's see. We already have 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I'm writing A of 20, okay, equal to 90, right? A of 20 equal to 90. What it will do, automatically it will add this at the end if the index is beyond the limit. Get it? No. It is giving you an error. It will not add it at the end. Here also again an index error. It will do it. There is some another operation where it does it automatically at the end. Here also it will give you an error if you try to go beyond the limit. Get it? So for that reason only I showed you this example, क्योंकि फिर ऐसे टाइप के एरर्स आते हैं तो वो नोन होना चाहिए. तो अभी देखो यहाँ आप लोग कौन से पोजीशन पे ऐड करने जा रहे हो? 20th पोजीशन है नहीं. Getting? There is one operation which puts it at the end, but not this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And अब 20th पे जाके रख रहे हो, वो है ही नहीं. It gives a index error. List assignment index out of range. Getting? Same thing for negative also. Like अगर आपने -10 लिखा, अब -10 तो है ही नहीं, तभी भी वही error. ठीक है, तो how to modify that is clear, is it? Now if you want to replace a part of a list with something else, एक पार्ट है और उसको किसी दूसरे से रिप्लेस करना, दूसरा इटरेबल ही होना चाहिए. ओके, तो दैट प्रोविजन ऑल्सो दे हैव गिवन. इससे तो हमने सिर्फ एक एलिमेंट चेंज किया. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना गाइस? यहां आपने only one element is replaced with something else. करेक्ट? ऐसा कुछ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है 30 ही. उस जगह पे अगर मैंने राम रिप्लेस किया, 600 की जगह पे सीता रिप्लेस किया, ओके, तो देखो वहां क्या वैल्यू है, यहां क्या वैल्यू है. गेटिंग? बट इफ यू वांट टू रिप्लेस अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लिस्ट विथ समथिंग एल्स, तो वो प्रोविजन भी है. आपको ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा, स्टार्ट कोलन एंड. ओके, एंड वो अभी कॉमन सेंस से आपको पता है, स्टार्ट एंड एंड दोनों पॉजिटिव, दोनों नेगेटिव, एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव, एक को ड्रॉप किया, लाइक जैसे स्टार्ट ड्रॉप किया इट विल टेक 0, एंड ड्रॉप किया तो एंड ऑफ द लिस्ट, वो सब सेम रूल है. बट दिस साइड यू नीड टू हैव अ इटरेबल ओनली. इटरेबल मीनिंग ग्रुप ऑब्जेक्ट. इस साइड ग्रुप ऑब्जेक्ट ही होना चाहिए. करेक्ट? तो it can be a string, it can be a list or a tuple or a dictionary, anything. It is not necessary the number of items which you are replacing and the number of items by what you are replacing. The count has to be same, not necessary. Like from the start till end, you are having n elements. And in this iterable, we are having m elements. So n and m need not be same. M can be more than n also. M can be less than n also. Doesn't matter. From that start position till that end position, end exclusive, you know it. As many elements come, those elements are replaced with this iterable. ये इटरेबल के जो भी एलिमेंट्स है उससे वो एलिमेंट्स रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे. अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्लियर? आई विल गिव यू अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, ज्यादा क्लियर होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग दिस लिस्ट बैक अगेन. ओके, ये अपनी लिस्ट है. ये before doing changes. Now see, I am writing A 2:5 equal to, and another list I am creating in which there is 100, 200, 2, 3. Okay, only two values. तो ऐसा कुछ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि जितने एलिमेंट्स रिप्लेस हो रहे हैं एंड जिससे रिप्लेस हो रहा है उनका काउंट सेम होना चाहिए. करेक्ट? नाउ आई एम प्रिंटिंग द मॉडिफाइड लिस्ट. देखो, अब बताओगे कहां से कहां तक? 2 से लेके 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 एक्सक्लूसिव. तो 2, 3, 4, 5 एक्सक्लूसिव. 30, 40, 50, ये तीन वैल्यूज ये लिस्ट के एलिमेंट से रिप्लेस हो जाए. तो व्हाट इज देयर? 100 एंड 200. तो यहां 100, 200 आ जाएगा. कैन यू सी? कहां से कहां तक? 2 से 5 तक. 0, 1, 2. दिस इज 2, 3, 4. अभी आपको पता है कि व्हेन यू गिव अ रेंज, सेकंड इंडेक्स एक्सक्लूसिव होता है. तो 2, 3, 4, 5 एक्सक्लूसिव. अभी 30, 40, 50, ये तीन वैल्यूज ये लिस्ट के वैल्यूज से रिप्लेस. बट इस साइड इटरेबल ही होना चाहिए. whenever you are replacing a range, whenever you are replacing any range, you have to have a iterable only in the right side. Not necessarily वो लिस्ट है, वो टपल भी हो सकता है. ठीक है? देखो, आपको चाहिए तो अगर ये टपल लेता हूं तो टपल भी चलेगा. और ऐसा जरूरी नहीं. अभी यहां कितने एलिमेंट्स रिप्लेस हो रहे थे? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 वैल्यूज बाय 2. 3 बाय 5 ऑल्सो हो सकता है. देखो, 300 आई एम पुटिंग, 400, 500. ओके, चेक करो कहां से कहां तक. 2, 3, 4. These three values are replaced with this 5 values of the tuple. Getting guys? And इसकी जगह पे अगर एक स्ट्रिंग लिया रहेगा तो भी चलेगा, क्योंकि स्ट्रिंग भी एक सीक्वेंस है गाइस. देखो, मैं इधर दिखाता हूं. Here I'll write for example SEETA. ओके, तो 2 से लेके 5 तक ये तीन एलिमेंट्स सीता से डायरेक्ट रिप्लेस नहीं होगा. SEETA. एस एक कैरेक्टर, ई एक कैरेक्टर, ई एक कैरेक्टर, बिकॉज ये सीक्वेंस है. तो ये 5 लेटर्स लेगा और ये 5 लेटर्स यहां रिप्लेस हो गए. आप देख सकते हो. कैन यू सी? SEETA. ओके, तो आई होप दिस पार्ट इज ऑल्सो क्लियर टू यू गाइस. ऐसे रेंज रिप्लेस. एंड यहां आप लोग अभी कॉम्बिनेशन ट्राई कर सकते हो. लाइक यू कैन ड्रॉप स्टार्ट, यू कैन ड्रॉप एंड, you give negatives. ठीक है? Now in this also you can mention step. Get it? So if you want to replace the elements at the fixed interval, okay, जैसे 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever. You want the elements exactly at a step of 2 to be replaced with something else. ठीक है? You can give, here you have to write start, here you have to write end, then step, okay, and you have to give a iterable. But इसका सिर्फ एक क्राइटेरिया है that as many elements are coming from that start till end at that step, start से लेके end तक with this step, as many elements are there, only that many elements should be there in the iterable. Iterable में भी exactly उतने ही होने चाहिए. Understanding? देखो, like for example, I'll take the same list in the next cell. ठीक है? I'll print the original list. Then I'm writing A colon 2, suppose. A colon 2. So colon means entire list. 2 means step 2. See here, 10, 30, 50, 70. How many are coming? 4 values. 10, 30, 50, 70. So this side, whatever iterable is there, in that iterable, you need to have 4 values only. Getting? देखो, जैसे अगर मैंने लिखा 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, something like that. And we are printing that in. Does it give an error? It is saying attempting to assign sequence of 5 size to extended slice of 4 size. जो अभी मैंने आपको वो भी क्लैरिफिकेशन दिया था कि जब भी आप स्टेप यूज करते हो, whenever you use step, as many elements are coming at that step, that many element only should be there in this iterable. देखो, अब इसमें मैंने अगर ये कम कर दिया, ठीक है? How many elements are coming at a step of 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. In this list also 4. You can check. And which elements are replaced? 10, 30, 50, and 70. Are they replaced with 11, 22, 33, 44? Getting, guys? So this provision also Python has given to you. Okay. So to change the value of a specific item, use following syntax. List of index equal to value. देखो, colors of 0, white. So who is at 0? Red. Red is replaced with white. When you print it, this red is replaced with white. Okay. And modifying a list using slicing, which I showed you. You can write list start colon end. देखो ऐसे. Start colon end iterable. Start colon end colon step equal to iterable. In the second case, only what is the criteria? As many elements are coming at that step. Start से लेके end तक with this step, जितने एलिमेंट आते हैं उतने ही एलिमेंट इस इटरेबल में होने चाहिए. Get it? Example देखो. Replace elements. First, I'm replacing it. Can you see? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. ये है. 1 colon 3. From where it is starting? 0, 1, 2, 3 is exclusive. तो 1, 2, 3 exclusive. ये दो values किससे replace हो जाएंगे? 200, 300. And when you print and see, देखो वहां 200, 300 आ गया. Right, guys? Okay. Same way. Insert भी कर सकते हो. अगर एलिमेंट इंसर्ट करना है तो ये स्टार्ट एंड एंड सेम दे दो. स्टार्ट एंड एंड इफ यू गिव सेम, तो देर इज नो एलिमेंट फ्रॉम दैट स्टार्ट टिल एंड, तो इट विल इंसर्ट इट. ठीक है. नाउ ऑलरेडी द टाइम इज ओवर. आई हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट सेशन. सो व्हाट विल डू इज we'll take this inserting example in the next session. I'll tell you inserting, then you can do deleting also. How you can delete the elements, that too I'll tell you. Okay, so for today we will take a pause here and then some more